Freezing subdivision surfaces. Sounds so cool, right? Let's go to Lightbox and try to see what this is. Let's go to Polysphere, click and drag it out, and hit Edit. Let's go to Transform and turn on Activate Symmetry. Now, new users might not get this, but the old dogs might appreciate it. So, that being said, there might be a level of understanding here that needs to be filled. The first thing is, beforehand, we couldn't just, freeze sub-levels. That was just impossible to do. And because of that, we couldn't really add detail across several subdivision levels and then maybe mask those details out that I just added. So check this out. So in other words, I can go into and say freeze subdivision levels, and it gives me my lowest form. And now I can divide to new higher levels of subdivision. And let's say I add some detail here. Well, I can do anything I want. I might do something basic, however, just because it would be easier to understand. Okay, so let's go in here to maybe the standard brush and add a new alpha. Like this one, for example, and a drag rack. Now I'm going to place these just about a little bit everywhere. And if I need more resolution, I'll just undo and divide one more time. There we go. So I'm going to put these here, 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 just all over the place. Now, I'll give you an example. Sometimes I make armor, and what happens is, in the area that I now have as a flat surface, I wanted to add maybe a noise value to that, representing metal. But I couldn't do that now because I have all these little artifacts in my way, and to go in here and try to add noise into those little lower areas, that'd be kind of difficult. There are tricks, but watch this. So now what I can do is unfreeze these subdivision levels. And it masks the change. Okay, what's that mean? Well, now I can go in and inverse that mask. And I can go in and maybe make a surface noise. Okay, so let me find surface. It crawls around a little bit. There we go. Let's go to a noise. Let me add some strength to the noise and maybe some different curve points to it. Add some scale to it so it's really thick and hit OK. Alright, now, well, look at that. I've only added detail to the areas that were before, not the new areas of detail that were added to the mesh. That's pretty sweet. Again, for the old dogs, they might appreciate that. For newcomers, you'll appreciate that as you start developing little pieces of metal and adding those details like gears, and maybe you only want rust in some areas. Again, the application is pretty broad, but there you go. That is freeze, transform on sublevels. Enjoy.